The i2 Notebook SDK is for the Notebook Web client. It enables people to build plugins for i2 Notebook, allowing custom tools to be created and tailored to individual deployments and users. We provide documentation which talks you through the whole process of creating, developing, and deploying a plugin, as well as tutorials in popular JavaScript frameworks. To develop a plugin, you can use the proxy we provide and any i2Analyze deployment, so you can iterate over the plugin in development without disrupting other users. Then, when you're ready to deploy your plugin, it can be done in a few easy steps. Your plugin has read access to the application data. That includes general information, for instance what locale and theme the user is in, as well as the chart data, including the schema, the records, and the visual information. In general, plugins will want to add commands to the UI so that a user can interact with them directly. Currently, they can add buttons to both the ribbon and the chart pop-up menu. As well as creating tools and accessing data, the SDK allows plugin authors to customize the i2 Notebook UI. So you can surface tools from the ribbon in the chart pop-up menu or turn tools off completely. Your plugin can do whatever it likes with the data we provide. It can send the data to another application or perform some analytics over it. Most plugins will want to display a custom UI, so we allow authors to create tool views that sit next to the chart alongside native tools such as Expand with Conditions and Record Inspector. These tools can be dragged and repositioned easily and undocked from the UI for ease of use without any work for the plugin author. What goes into a custom UI is completely up to the plugin author. It's a JavaScript plugin and will allow you to load your own resources. So from displaying selected items on a map to using machine learning over the record data, the plugin author has the scope to build what they like. The current version of the SDK provides only read access to the data, but we hope to provide a read-write API soon with the ability to add and edit and delete records and manipulate the chart. This has been a brief tour of the i2 Notebook SDK, and we can't wait to see what people build with it.